Hey guys, here's Peter, and this is a brief introduction of our inversion board whiteboard version. This is how it looks like. It's a bit like our smart whiteboard. Has the same aluminum frame, but the size is a little bit different, and we added 4 protection corners. You can remove them or you can glue them on it. This is the normal side. You can write with the real whiteboard marker and you can wipe them. And this is the screen side. It's not smooth, it's a bit rough because if it's a smooth one, you will get a lot of reflection, which makes this side like a screen. So we maintained the same finish like our chalkboard, but it's fine because you can still write with a whiteboard marker. And if you put some ink, leave some ink on it, it will make the board more like a real one with this ink left on it. You can try to swipe smoothly to create more ink on this side. Now let's see how to use the board with the app. Now we need to use Mr. Smith to control it, and we will also write the whiteboard in our PITATA Pro app, but that will be later. With Mr. Smith, you can auto-connect the board and PITATA Palm remote to control the board more conveniently. I have already set up everything, so I just show you the effects. For example, if I use the inversion board to display a magic square, I don't need to touch the phone just to connect everything. Then with the remote, I just send it. Then here we get a magic square of 28. You can also use inversion board to display the clock prediction. Like we choose the clock to inversion board, then we input a time like 3:42 and send. This is how it looks like. And there are many other effects, like you can input a text with the handwriting, font, and ESP symbol, and also playing cards, Jack of spades, and also the doodle to the inversion board. Yeah, so this is the inversion board whiteboard version. Hope you enjoy it.